In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to replace the Earpads on Peltor Earmuffs. As you can see, these need to be replaced. Okay, the first thing you need to do is to remove the ear cups. Take 3 fingers, put them inside, then rest your thumb here, hold on with your left hand, and pull on the 3 fingers. That's how it comes out. And you can repeat the process for the other one. Okay, now this you can pull off. It's connected with an adhesive. Okay, I'm going to clean this up and then I will install the replacement Earpad. Make sure the other side is clean as well. Okay, so it's been cleaned. Now make sure it's dry and free of any debris for maximum adhesion. Now the next thing I'm going to do is take an Earpad and I'm going to remove the adhesive backing. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to align it with the center to give me a visual of proper alignment of where it should be rested. I'm going to match up the center of the ear cup piece to the center of the replacement Earpad to assist me in properly aligning it correctly. So I'm going to rest it down like so to match up the center. Now I'm not going to push it down, I'm just going to rest it. Now after resting it, I'm going to push my fingers around the corners to make sure it's properly aligned in the center. Check the center again, and now I'm going to push it down. Press it all the way around. And there you go, it's installed. Just swing this that way to give you a better access to it. Make sure this is clean. Okay, now all you need to do is put it on and press it in. And that's it. Now all you need to do is to repeat the process with the other one. And you're all done. So there you go, that is how to replace the Earpads on Peltor Earmuffs. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please show your support for this channel by subscribing. Feel free to leave comments. Please like up this video, and thank you for tuning in.